Welcome to Nexus.
For me, it's one of the best events from AI, where we really come back home with a lot more of knowledge from what we arrived with.
Nexus 2025 was my goal already from last year because I wanted to connect with industry leaders.
It's always a highlight summit for me in the year.
We came to Nexus just to really kind of hear what's going on within the industry and really learn about the advancements in AI and what's happening with Agentic AI.
It's been a wonderful eye-opener for me to see the huge potential and to learn from what those who have gone before have learned and experienced, the wisdom that they've shared.
The value is that AI is here to stay, right? And it's just the beginning.
My favorite part was actually the product keynote from Cognigy, to see all those new innovations that we really are looking forward to also implement at Bosch. That's really what we need to make our agents and our customers happier.
My favorite part of Cognigy Nexus so far has definitely been the customer panel. It's been a huge help for me to understand their common problems and challenges.
In summary, what I'm taking away from Nexus is the satisfaction and confidence that generative AI technology has found its place in the enterprise and it can be used successfully at scale.
Nexus for me is
Collaboration, state-of-the-art technology,
Innovation,
Educational.
community-driven,
Future.
Being willing to learn.
Inspirational.
Awesome.
Intuitive.
Glimpse into the future.
And it's really fun.
Coming here, I think it's really good to network with people. It's such a vibrant community.
I think the magician was probably the best thing that I've seen. It was just so impressive. It was flawless. So I was very, very, very impressed with that.
It's so great to see all the enthusiastic people sharing their Cognigy insights. This is something I wouldn't miss at all.
When it comes to me personally, the real value is just being a part of such a great community here. So just to be able to hear all of these people presenting how they implemented their Cognigy solutions is really inspiring for our business as well.
The event was tremendous. Thank you for having us. We really enjoyed the time, and it was great to see the new up-and-coming technologies as well as what's been developed. Can't wait for next year.
See you at Nexus 2026.
See you at Nexus 2026.
We'll see you at Nexus 2026.
See you at Nexus 2026.
See you at Nexus 2026.